Welcome to the channel, where the truth meets timing. We bring you the latest news, critical insights, and underrated stories shaping our world right now. No fluff, no filters, just sharp content that pushes your limits and honest truth. If you're here to think deeper and stay ahead, tap in, engage, and evolve. Let's dive into the video. Forget the entire universe right now. It's all about our solar system's darkest secret, our fragile home Earth. This Earth Day, we are not here to throw parties or sing songs. We are here to stare into the void and face the mess we've made. Earth Day is about raising awareness, promoting action, fostering change, and uniting for the planet. Picture yourself floating in silent space, the planet's blue glow throbbing against endless black. We've launched hundreds of satellites to reach for the stars. Defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, fragmentation debris, mission-related debris, all of it now circling us like ghosts. Here's the chilling truth. A tiny piece of paint screaming through a space at 15,000 miles per hour can punch a hole in a working satellite like a bullet. Multiply that by 1 trillion specks, and you got a storm of metal fragments ready to shred our tools in orbit. NASA hunts down the biggest pieces, the hulking remains of old rockets and dead satellites. But those microscopic bits, they are like shadows in the night, impossible to spot until they strike. Make no mistake, we are not doing the right thing. Space is becoming a junk-filled graveyard, and every launch adds more rubbish to the chaos. We need a cosmic cleanup crew, special janitor, satellites equipped with magnetic nets, robotic arms, and vacuum modules to scoop our trash. And it sends burning back through the atmosphere. Sounds like science fiction. Good, because only by facing our darkest mistakes can we spark real change. Call to action. Now you have a role to play. Share these facts, spread the word, and drop your wildest cleanup ideas in the comments. Gravity traps, self-healing satellites, even AI-driven space scavengers. No idea is too bold when the future of orbit hangs in the balance. This Earth Day, don't just scroll past. Educate, engage, and empower everyone around you. Together, we can clean our cosmic backyard and maybe, just maybe, earn the right to explore the stars.